How to add domain to Cloudflare. If you want faster DNS, better security, and easier domain management, adding your domain to Cloudflare is one of the best upgrades you can make. And in this video, I will show you how you can add domain to Cloudflare, update your name servers, and let's get to it. So the first step, you want to go to dash.cloudflare.com and you want to make sure you are signed to your account. And then you will see some options on the left side and you want to navigate to domains. So if you click on domains, then overview, here you can also buy domain if you don't have domain, but in my case, we have domain, so we are adding existing domain. So you can use, for example, Hostinger, Namecheap, or GoDaddy. So I can show you with the GoDaddy domain. We are simply going to click on this blue button, which says add domain. So click on it. And here we have again options. You can buy domain, transfer domain, or connect domain. So make your site faster, more secure, and more reliable. So if you want this option, choose this one. And here we want to paste our domain name. So I can go to GoDaddy. I will copy and paste my domain over here. Then you can click on continue. Now you want to choose the plan which you want for this. So we can go with the free plan. For me, it's enough. So now the Cloudflare checked your DNS record and it found those records. So you can check them. And then we want to click on continue to activation. And here's what we need to do. We need to change name servers instead those ones. So I need to delete those 4 name servers and I want to change them to those 2 Cloudflare ones in order to add this domain to Cloudflare. And also you want to make sure that DNSSEC is off. So you want to find it in your security settings and turn this off. So what we can do, we can copy this first name server. I can go to my domain provider, I can go to name servers option, I can click on change name servers. I want to switch from the default name servers to your own ones. I can paste the first one here, then second one under that right away, save. Alright, so once you have the name servers changed, we can continue, we can click on I updated my name servers, and now it's going to show you probably that it can take some time. So as you can see, it can take 24 hours to propagate. Check name servers now, and you will see if they are connected. So please wait a few hours for an update, so we have to basically wait. And this is how you can add domain to Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.